Good morning. Today we are going to ask a series of questions about with people will do in case someone else needs help. The person we are going to interview is called Maritza Villasit, and she is a teacher in the American University. Yeah. Arvid, our English teacher, we are going to hear some questions. Good morning, teacher. Uh, do you, how do you typically treat people you meet for the first time?
Well, when it's the first time, I try to be very polite. Almost all the time, I try to smile and try to be honest all the time in order to be very friendly with others.
Do you go out for way to help others persons when need assistance?
Could you repeat the question, please?
Do you go out for way to help others person when they need assistance?
Yes, I do. I try to help other people in my way.
How do you handle conflicts or disagreements with friends?
Well, almost all the time, I try to speak. The good form to communicate with others is to speak and try to others in a respectful way, so that is the idea.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Good morning, teacher. Can you recall a recent instance when you showed kindness to someone?
Yeah, well, thank you, Mr. The kindness for someone, if I try to remember, I think was the last month. There was a race for kids that don't have house, so I tried to participate and almost invite others to participate in this race.
How do you respond when someone does something that annoys or frustrates you?
Well, I try to be very relaxed first. I try to respect others, so I prefer staying silent. Then I give my answer, but I try to be very respectful. I respect other people. It doesn't matter if I am agree or not.
Do you often compliment or encourage others?
Yes, almost all the time. I think my students, they need this kind of things.
Okay, teacher, thanks.
You're welcome.
In conclusion, we can say the teacher's answers are very interesting and give us a lesson that we can add will at all times.
Thank you very much. And this has been your video. I hope it helps you.